IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. What activities do you enjoy doing with your family? Band 5. Answer.
I like spending time with my family, like watching TV or having dinner. It is nice and we can talk. We also go shopping sometimes.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence, basic but understandable. Short, simple ideas, limited extension. Lexical resource, everyday vocabulary, little variation. Grammar, mostly simple structures, few complex attempts. Pronunciation, clear enough, but may lack natural rhythm. Typical of a Band 5. Communicates meaning, but lacks range, depth, and flexibility. Band 7.5 Answer.
I usually spend time with my family by cooking meals together or going out for short trips on the weekends. Cooking is especially fun because everyone contributes in a small way and we get to chat while preparing the food. It's a simple activity, but it helps us stay close.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, smooth, well-connected ideas, natural flow. Lexical resource, good range with precise vocabulary, mostly natural collocations. Grammar, mix of complex and simple structures with good control. Pronunciation, generally natural and intelligible. Typical of Band 7.5, good control and flexibility, though not consistently sophisticated. Band 9 Answer.
Spending time with my family usually revolves around activities that allow us to unwind and reconnect, such as preparing elaborate meals on Sundays or taking spontaneous day trips along the coast. Cooking together is especially meaningful because it blends teamwork, humor, and tradition, three things that define our family dynamic.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless delivery with refined coherence and elaboration. Lexical resource, wide, natural, and nuanced vocabulary, precise collocations. Grammar, excellent control of a wide array of complex structures. Pronunciation, clear, natural, and rhythmical. Typical of Band 9, fully flexible, idiomatic, and sophisticated, without strain. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.